This is the new radiator for the liquid cooling on the 750.
Go.
60-degree V-twin, 750cc, producing 59 horsepower. Mated to a 2-into-1 exhaust, which is quite high level, which gives plenty of grind clearance. It goes around corners. It comes standard with a dual seat, and pillion foot pegs are already fitted. It's got a large single disc for plenty of stopping power, and that's mated up to a Brembo designed caliper. It comes with a 6-speed gearbox, and I've got to say this is the lightest gearbox I've ever used on a Harley-Davidson. It's fantastic.